Okay, folks, it's finally here. My new laser cleaning machine. I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. I first heard about this new technology or this technology a few weeks ago, and I became fascinated by it, and I decided to buy one. This is a 300 watt pulse laser cleaning machine. The company is SFX. The model is AGC 300. I am not affiliated to this with this company. I just got it because after doing some research, this was the most convenient one to get. I tried to look for American companies who make this type of equipment, and there are a few out there, but I couldn't get the information that I wanted. The sites didn't give you all the information about their equipment, and to be able to get any information, you had to contact them and get a quote and all that stuff. With these Chinese companies, you go to the site and the information is there. You can see everything that they have available. They tell you the price, how long it's going to take for you to get it. So it's a much simpler way of doing business. With the American companies, I think I found about maybe 3 or 4 companies that make this type of equipment. But you go to the site, you don't get the information you're looking for. You have to contact them and get a quote and all that stuff. And I just don't have much patience for that. I just, with these Chinese companies, they just post it on their website, all the equipment that they have available. They give you the price, tell you how long it's going to take for you to get one. So it's a much easier process. So I decided to go with this company, yes, this SFX, because it was very convenient. A great site. They give you all the prices. They show you all the equipment that they have available. They have U.S. stock, so it doesn't take long for you to get one. I think it took me about a week to get this one. And as you can see, it's pretty well packed. Yeah, so far, so good. What I know about this technology so far is that essentially you have 2 different types of laser cleaners. You have the continuous laser and the pulse laser cleaner. The continuous laser, it's normally a bit more powerful, but they generate a lot of heat, so you can't really use on delicate material, delicate surfaces like wood or thin metals. It gets the job done faster, but it generates a lot of heat. This one generates less heat, so you have a wider variety of surfaces that you can clean. So that's why I went with the pulse laser cleaner. I got the 300 watts because it's what I can afford right now. So this was about $10,000, a little over $10,000. For the 500 watt, it's about $25,000. And if you want the 1,000 watts, it's about, I don't know, 50 or 60 grand. So eventually I might, if everything goes well, I get a more powerful one. Eventually I want to get a continuous laser machine also for more industrial, I guess, work to clean some heavy metals or you know, they tend to be a little bit, the continuous laser tend to be a little more powerful than these pulse laser. So you get the job done a little faster. So eventually I want to have both of them, both types, so I can be able to clean everything efficiently. This is pretty well packed. I'm really happy with the way this came. Alright, so I'm not really a content creator or influencer, just, you know, I'm just winging this thing. But that's the machine right here. It came pretty well packed. Let's see what comes with it. Alright. Got some extra lenses and a cable over here. This is the instruction manual. Packing list. Over here, oh look at that. They give you some gloves, some protective glasses, because you do need to wear glasses that protect you from the laser light. So that's pretty much the equipment right here. What I'm going to do now is, once I unpack it and learn how to use it, I'm going to put this machine to the test. I'm going to try a bunch of different things. Try to figure out what the limits are, what it can or cannot do. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you what you get when you buy one of these machines from this company, SFX Laser. The machine weighs about 145 pounds. Not that bad. We got the head over here. It's tied up pretty nicely. So once I get this machine up and running, I will be showing some tests and doing and posting some videos on what I've learned so far. All right, I'll see you guys later.